In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language in Odoo step by step using the Odoo online demo. This is perfect if you're new to Odoo, testing features, or setting things up for a multilingual team or client. Changing the language in Odoo is actually very simple once you know where to look, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to add and switch languages with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Demo Online. From the search results, click on Demo Odoo Online. This will take you to Odoo's official demo environment, where you can explore features without installing anything. The demo is great because it lets you test settings like languages in a safe environment. Once the Odoo demo loads, log in if required, and then look at the top menu. From here, navigate to the Settings module. The Settings area is where Odoo allows you to manage system-level configurations, including users, permissions, and of course, languages. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Languages section. Here, you'll see the current active languages available in your Odoo system. To add a new language, click on Add Languages. This opens a list of languages that can be installed in Odoo. Next, you'll see a drop-down or list, but not all languages may appear immediately. To access the full list, click on Search More. This expands the selection and allows you to browse or search for any language supported by Odoo. You can scroll through the list or type the language name directly into the search bar. Once you find the language you want, simply select it and confirm. Odoo will automatically install the language pack. This may take a few seconds depending on the language and the system speed. After installation, the language becomes available for users to select. Now that the language is added, you can assign it to a user. To do this, go back to Settings, then open Users and Companies and click on Users. Select the user you want to change the language for. Inside the user profile, look for the language field and choose the newly added language from the drop-down menu. Save your changes. After saving, refresh the page or log out and log back in as that user. You'll now see the Odoo interface displayed in the selected language. This is extremely useful for international teams or businesses operating in multiple regions. And that's it. You've successfully added and changed the language in Odoo using the demo environment. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.